Social Studies, Revision 1, Early Humans. Early humans. The people in those days did not have clothes to wear or houses to live in. They used to live in forests and caves. They used animal skins and leaves to cover their bodies. They did not know how to cook food, so they used to eat fruits and seeds. They also hunted animals with sticks and stones and ate raw flesh. Raw flesh means meat that is not cooked. They moved from place to place in search of food and water. Later, early humans also learned how to make fire by rubbing two stones together. They helped them a lot. They learned how to cook, keep themselves warm, and keep wild animals away. So this early human here is cooking food. Early human trying to light fire. Then they learned how to grow crops and tame animals to work for them. Here is a picture of early human learned to grow crops. So in this lesson we have learned and revised that early human used animal skin and leaves to cover their bodies. They lived in forests and caves. In the beginning, early human did not know how to cook food, and so they ate raw food. They hunted animals with sticks and stones. Later, early humans learned how to make fire. They also learned how to grow crops and tame animals. New words. Early humans, people who lived many years ago. Crops, plants grow for food or food that we get from plants. Tame, to make something easy to control. Tame. Like they tamed animals so that they can get help from the animals to make their work easy. Like a donkey can carry a lot of things for the human, so he doesn't have to carry when he has to go from one place to another. He can put all his things and make the donkey carry his goods. Likewise, they tamed animals to make their work easy. So let's see. Now when I read the question, you shout out the answer, okay? I will read the question and then you will tell the answer. True or false? Early humans lived in houses like ours. So did you say the answer? Early humans lived in houses like ours. True or false? False, right? So you should say false. B. Early humans used leaves and animals' skin to cover their bodies. Early humans used leaves and animal skin to cover their bodies. True is the answer. So if you had said true, excellent. C. Early humans lived in forests. Early human lived in forests. Say the answer. True, right? Next, early humans ate well-cooked food. Early humans ate well-cooked food. Say the answer. False. They ate raw food, right? Next, early humans discovered fire by rubbing two stones. Early humans discovered fire by rubbing two stones. Answer? True. Very good. Okay, now I'll read the question. You will answer like before, okay? Early humans lived in houses, forests, caves, or caves and forests. Houses, forests, caves, or caves and forests. Where did they live? Early human lived in. Answer. Caves and forests. Yeah. B. Early human ate raw food, seeds, fruits, or all of these. The answer is all of these, because they ate raw food, also they ate seeds, also they ate fruits, right? So C. Early humans covered their bodies with leaves, clothes, animal skins, both leaves and animal skins. What is the answer? Yeah, early human covered their bodies with leaves, also with animal skins. Well done. Next, early humans learned to make fire by hunting animals, rubbing stones together, breaking trees, rubbing their hands together. What is the answer? Rubbing stones together. E. Fire helped early humans to cook their food, keep warm, keep wild animals away, all of these. Fire helped early humans to cook their food, keep warm, keep wild animals away, or all the answers are correct. What is the answer? All of this, right? So they used fire to cook food, also they used fire to keep themselves warm, and then they used fire to chase the wild animals away. Like when a tiger or lion comes, when they show the fire, the animals go away from them. Okay? Right, now let me ask the question and you will answer. And then I will tell you the answer to check if your answer is correct. Okay? Answer these questions. Who were early humans? Who were early humans? Answer. Okay? So early humans were humans that lived, or early humans are humans that lived many years ago. Early humans are people who lived many years ago. B. Where did early humans live? Where did early humans live? Okay, so early human lived in the forest. Early human lived in the forest, or you can say early human lived in forests and caves. Okay, so C. What did early humans eat? What did early humans eat? Answer. Okay, so early humans ate raw food, seeds, fruits, flesh of other animals. Right. So is the answer correct? Now the final question. What did early humans use to cover themselves? What did early humans use to cover themselves? What did early humans use to cover themselves? Okay, so early humans covered themselves with animal skin or leaves. Okay, next let's discuss, how is your life different from those of early humans? How is your life different from those of early humans? Think about yourself and then the early humans. Is it the same? No. So if it is different, how is it different? Try to give me 3 answers. How is your life different from a life of a early human? Okay, so how is your life different from those of early humans? Number 1, the clothes we wear is different from them. We don't wear leaves and skin of animals now, but early humans, they wore that. Yeah. Then number 2, the food we eat is cooked food, and early human, they ate raw food and seeds and fruits as their main meal. Then another one, the place we live. We have big houses built with sand and blocks and stones and stuff, but early humans, they lived in the forest and they lived in caves as well. We live in the city, they live in the forest. Okay, and you can say more. Now we have supermarkets, they did not have, in early days they did not have those things like that. Let's think, early humans did not have any books to read. Why? Early humans did not have any books to read. Why? Why do you think? They did not know what are books, first of all, and then they did not know how to read, and nobody knew how to write, and they did not know what are books, so they did not have books as well. Values and life skills. And if you have any answers for these questions, you can write them in your comment area so that we can share your answers. Okay. Values and life skills. Tame animals are not afraid of people and are used to living with them. We should be kind to them and treat them well. Yes, we should be kind to them and treat them well. How do you treat tame animals? How do you treat tame animals? We feed them. Yeah, we feed them, we look after them, we play with them. What are the tame animals that you have at your place or in India? Okay, so now that we have finished the first unit, revise the lesson again.